Joining me today is going to be my lovely wife Audra. She's going to be running and operating a tractor. Here she is.
Hi.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bonham Tx. This is Josh. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. And what we got going on today is it's that time of year. It is time to get some hay out. It is so dry here in Texas. I mean, we have not had rain in probably over a month and a half. And the grass is just burnt up here. It's dried up. I'm gonna show you our grass and you'll see why it is time to get the hay out. So, as you can see, the grass here, it's gone. It's burned up. What you're seeing out there, that green, that's ragweed. And the goats will eat on it a little bit, but I don't think it has very much nutrition. And I'm allergic to ragweed. It gets in my sinuses and tears me up, so I need to shred it. I should have shredded it a while back, but it is time to get the tractor out. It's time to put some hay out, and hay season is beginning. It's so dry here that the cracks in the ground, I don't know if where you're at, but we live on black dirt, and that dirt just draws up and there will be cracks in the ground. Let me show you this crack right here. These are all over out here. So it's just super dry out here, and it's time to get the hay out, get some more nutrition. I've got the young goats. I've turned them out here on this back pasture, and nothing has been on that for probably 2, maybe 3 months. So I'm letting them graze what weeds are out there. It's pretty dry out there too. I did have them on a pasture right over here that had some Cerisa Lespedeza. They've grazed that down. It went to a flower, so it seeded out. That's good. We want that Cerisa Lespedeza to seed out. This other pasture over here, it had sun hemp on it, and they've ate the sun hemp. That pasture's dried up, so my Bermuda grass, it's gone. It's done for the season. Joining me today is going to be my lovely wife Audra. She's going to be running and operating a tractor. Here she is.
Hi.
So we're going to get to it. We're going to go grab the hay, get the hay feeder out, and we're going to put some hay out. Alright, this is our hay trap. This is where we keep our hay. This is hay that we cut and baled off this place. It's good hay. It's got fertilizer, nitrogen on it, so it's good quality prairie grass hay. This is how we keep it. So you can see the hay is on a pallet, and that'll keep that hay up off the ground so the bottom of it don't get bad. We try to put all of our hay on a pallet, and that just helps save the bottom of it. The hay feeder you'll see here in a little bit, it's a raised hay feeder, so it keeps it up off the ground in that. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. Just putting a little bit of hay out, and I want to thank my wife I know it's not an easy task, but she can drive a tractor. She did a very good job. It's her first time putting out a big roll of hay, and you did a wonderful job.
Thanks.
And she did a great job. I appreciate her help. We're gonna get on to doing house chores. She helped me out here, so I'm gonna go inside and help her. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's all I got for today, and we will catch you guys on the next one.